Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'll be teaching you stir fry mung bean noodles. And one thing I love about this noodle is the thin nature. And for this I would be using the mung bean noodle itself, prawn and some veggies. Irrespective of the type of glass noodle you buy, there is always an instruction on how to prepare it on it. And for this exact noodle, we are told to soak in boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes and drain. It is very important you follow the instruction if you don't want to end up with a soggy noodle. And in my recipe, I would be using egg, and different people have different way of adding egg in their noodle. For me, I prefer to add the egg in form of scrambled egg. I discovered adding egg directly to my noodles make me feel and lose interest easily, and the appearance of scrambled egg makes it kind of enticing to me. Ensure you comment down below if you have a weird preference like me. First, I'm going to make the scrambled egg, cut into pieces and set aside. Next, I'm going to make my mung bean noodle and set aside. Now that my mung bean noodle and scrambled egg is ready, I will be moving on to the main preparation, and I will be using butter instead of oil. I love the taste and smell of butter in my meal. And I will be adding in the veggies one after the other, including the prawn. And in this recipe, I would also be using soy sauce. The seasoning you use is entirely up to you. I'll be putting a list of the ones I use on the screen. Now that my veggies look ready, I will be adding in the noodles. Ensure you mix well. You can also adjust the seasoning if need be. Once everything is well combined, add in the egg, fresh or scrambled egg, whichever style of egg you intend to use. And that is all for today's video. Ensure you drop a comment below after trial. And if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. See you some other time with another yummy recipe.